front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display. When you're ready, scroll down again, this time to click on Font Size and Style over here. Now operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top, and when you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!